Hey aspirants, memorizing the 12 schedules of the Indian Constitution feels tough. Well, my 24 by 7 UPSC AI companion Yuki gave me this genius mnemonic. You can ask it too. Go log in to www.askyuki.com and ask in the chatbot methods for memorization. You can try it across the topics. I tried it today for 12 schedules of the Indian Constitution, and the result that I got is Tears of Old PM. Let's decode this mnemonic schedule by schedule, short, crisp, and unforgettable. T stands for territories. The first schedule, states and UTs. E stands for earnings, salaries of presidents, judges, CAT. This is the second schedule, salaries. A stands for affirmations, who takes which oath. A is for oaths and affirmations, the third schedule. R stands for Rajya Sabha representation, seat allocation. So R for the fourth schedule, Rajya Sabha seats. S for scheduled tribes and areas. Fifth schedule, scheduled areas and tribes. O for other tribal areas, special councils for northeastern states. O is for sixth schedule, tribal areas of the northeast. F for framework of powers between centers and states, or simply F for federalism. The seventh schedule, union, state and concurrent list are linked to this federalism. O stands for oral or official languages. O, eighth schedule, the languages or official languages schedules. L stands for legal protection, laws kept safe from courts. You remember the ninth schedule, validation of laws. D stands for defection. Stop party hopping politicians. The 10th schedule is linked to anti-defection law. P stands for Panchayati Raj, rural local bodies. P is 11th schedule, panchayats. M for municipal governance, urban local bodies. So M is your 12 schedules, municipalities. So here's how you visualize it. A tired employer always reads stories of funny old lawyers defending poor municipality, and that's your Tears of Old PM story. That was another way of looking at Tears of Old PM. See what is easy for you to memorize, the entire sentence or just a simple sentence. So next time UPSC asks you about schedules, smile. Recall this one line and you've got all 12 in one place. Powered by Yuki, your UPSC AI companion that does not just teach you, but it also helps you memorize smartly.